If you have not done this, then you will not be getting onboarded. They have not gotten any hotel charges, any traveling expenses. If you convince your manager, that is pretty hard to convince actually, because you are still a fresher without any experience. Please send me your resume in my mail. They'll not give joining bonus anymore. Hello all, welcome back to the video, and if you are new to this channel, then welcome to my channel. So in this video, we'll be talking about the referrals and most commonly asked questions on my previous videos. So if you love the content, then please do subscribe to my channel. So let's begin this video. So the first question is, can we leave LTIMINDTREE after training but before joining project? After joining project, what procedure do they follow? So yes, you can leave LTIMINDTREE in the training phase, which is of 3 or the 6 months, whatever they follow. Then one problem will be there, that your PF account is created, that will be transferred, and in the next company you will be answerable to the same thing, that where your PF account has created and why do you left the LTIMINDTREE, because eventually they'll be getting to know that your PF account is already created, correct? So there is no issue in leaving LTIMINDTREE. They'll just simply allow you to go from the LTIMINDTREE, because I have seen in my training also 2 of the peoples get away from this training, from the 3 months of the training, and they have joined some other organizations, and I'm still in the contact. Then they were saying like they didn't have any difficulties in joining the other organization. Basically they weren't asked that why you left the organization and all, because as a fresher no company will ask you that why you have left that, because you are still a fresher without any experience. So it's pretty easy to leave LTIMINDTREE. And after the joining project, there will be a 3 months of period, that is cool down period they say, or you can say notice period. So you will have to serve the notice period, then only after the 3 months you will be leaving LTIMINDTREE. And I haven't left the organization for now, so I can't say about the leaving part after the project allocation. But before joining the project, yes, this is a procedure that you can follow. I don't have appropriate documents like final year mark sheet, provisional degree to upload. What to do? So when you will go to the campus portal, in that they'll ask that you have to fill all the documents like final year mark sheet, provisional degree mark sheet, final year SAM, all the examination mark sheet and all. Okay, so if you don't have the mark sheet, then they'll basically not hire you, because at some period of the time they go through your profile and they check that you have uploaded the last SAM mark sheet or not. If you have uploaded, then they'll onboard you, and if you have not uploaded, then they'll not onboard you, because LTIMINDTREE, the policies there, like if you have completed the final semester only, if they have all the documents related to that final SAM mark sheet will also work. If the final mark sheet, that degree mark sheet, if you are not having then final year SAM mark sheet, that will also work. So you can upload that, and after that only you will be getting onboarded. So there is no problem if you don't have the final year mark sheet. When you will upload, then they'll again go through your profile and then they'll onboard you. So moving on to the next question, what is the bonus in company, how it works? So at my time there was bonus in the company, but now as I'm talking to freshers which are coming in my project, they are telling me they have gotten only relocation expenses, but they have not gotten any hotel charges, any traveling expenses, any project bonus they haven't gotten. So company might have updated their policy that in the joining, then they'll not give joining bonus anymore, but at my time I have gotten the joining bonus. So going to the next question, can we do work from home? So basically yes, in LTIMINDTREE there is work from home also, hybrid also, and 5 days office also. So if you want the work from home, then you need to contact to your manager and give appropriate reason why you actually need work from home. Then only if your manager approves, then only you will be getting work from home. And there is an option for location change also. If you convince your manager, that is pretty hard to convince actually. Then if you convince, somehow you convinced, then only you will be getting work from home or the location change. But if you are unable to convince, then you will eventually not get work from home or that location change thing. What is the basic procedure of onboarding? Okay, so the basic procedure of onboarding is like, firstly you will have to give the Ignite program. If you have completed the Ignite program, if you have successfully passed in the Ignite program, then only you will be getting onboarded. And there is one more condition, that you must have fulfilled the final year semester exam and you must have completed and uploaded that final SEM mark sheet in the portal. Then only you will be getting onboarded. If you have not done this, then you will not be getting onboarded. Many of the students are like, I haven't not completed, but I have gotten the offer letter. When will I get the onboarding letter and all? So firstly, complete your final SEM exams, then only you will be getting onboarded. Because LTIMINDTREE time to time go with your application. If you have submitted all other things in the campus portal, then only they will get hired you. So basically it also depends on luck. If there is luck with you, then you can get onboarded, and if there is no luck, then you will get to wait around 1 year or half year like this. Because I have seen many people which are waiting from 1 year, but there is no sign of the onboarding in the LTIMINDTREE. So it depends on you, it depends on your call that you have to join or you have to wait for the onboarding or you have to join another company. That's basically your call. If I'll be talking about my case, I have gotten 3 times onboarding in the LTIMINDTREE. The 2 times I haven't joined because my final year semester was not completed. That's why I haven't joined LTIMINDTREE. When my semester got completed in the September, then I have gotten that onboarding mail and I have got to the onboarding in the Coimbatore. My onboarding happened in the Coimbatore, and at that time there was no accommodation in the Coimbatore, so I have to find myself a PG, all of the foods and all of the accommodation I myself had looked in the Coimbatore. So yeah, it was a adventurous year for me when I get onboarded in the LTIMINDTREE in Coimbatore campus especially. If you are in Bhubaneswar campus, I have heard that they are giving in Bhubaneswar campus or Kalinga campus this accommodation. So it depends on location to location which location you get for onboarding. Now talking about the referrals, I usually get referrals for freshers, P1, P2, like 2 to 3 years of experience or 5 to 10 years of experience. So if you want me to refer you, then help me to reach 1000 subscribers, and please send me your resume in my mail that you can find in the description or in my bio. If you will help me to reach 1000 subscribers, then I'll be personally reaching to any 2 of you by reviewing their resume. If the resume matches the profile which I am referring or which I have been getting the referred for, then I'll be referring you and I'll be reaching out to you on LinkedIn. So the next question is, when we'll receive onboarding kit? So regarding the onboarding kit, when you will be getting onboarded and you are, whether you are in the domain of the GET or whether you are in the domain of this cloud administrator or the system administrator, whatever your domain is, so in the between the training you will be getting that onboarding kit. So when I was about to leave LTIMINDTREE training at December, I have gotten my onboarding kit. In that onboarding kit, I've gotten 1 bottle, 1 pen, 1 this diary and some other stuff also. 1 cup also I have gotten. So these many things you basically get in the onboarding kit. So if you love the video, then please do subscribe to my channel, and if you want to reach out to me, then please do find my email in the description or in the bio. Then that way you can reach me and help me to reach 1000 subscribers, and I'll be able to refer you more. Thank you for watching the video.